got a demo on Wind Up. This is a Brothers 500 gram 36 shot cake. The performance description on this one is wind up the fireworks box and out come red tails to multicolored pearls and silver or green glitter or multicolored palms. Ends with a 6-shot finale of carmine pearls and crackling. 36 shots. This is a really nice cake. Starts out a little slow in the beginning, builds up towards the middle, and then at the end has a really nice finish. When it gets dark a little bit later, we will shoot this one and see how it looks. Wind Up